Welcome back to Buy or Die. We make money on perspective stocks, and I have no idea why you're still not with us. Subscribe, hit the like button, and let's go. Look at Clover Health stock chart. The stock price hit $9. Yesterday's growth was incredible, and probably we have a change of trend to bullish one. Earnings report is coming in a few days, and probably insiders know something before it happens. There are a few legislative issues in play that could be huge for Clover investors. The first is contained in the budget proposal, which is currently in Congress. In the proposal is an expansion of Medicare coverage to include vision care, hearing care, and dental benefits. Right now, many seniors are only covered for those things through their privately administered Medicare Advantage plan, like what Clover offers. If the legislation passes, it will remove a big incentive for consumers to sign up for the company's Advantage plans because some of the added coverage will become much cheaper or even free. And the company might end up spending more money to earn its revenue from directly contracting with Medicare if it's forced to cover more services. That just might be an existential crisis for Clover Health, if not for another provision in the proposal. While things could change a lot before being signed into law, right now it looks like the budget might also include lowering the age of eligibility for Medicare benefits to 60. That would have a highly beneficial impact for Clover's top line, as it would substantially increase their total addressable market. And younger people tend to have fewer health issues, which would make them cheaper to insure, supporting higher margins. Then there is a potential impact of drug price legislation. If high prescription costs are a significant factor in driving seniors to seek Medicare Advantage coverage for drugs that the publicly available Medicare plans don't cover, the company might experience less demand for its services. However, reduced drug costs could still play out in its favor overall, as Clover wouldn't need to pay as much to cover its existing customers. So while Clover faces some uncertainty with upcoming legislation, there are still plenty of reasons to be optimistic about its future. Waiting for earnings report. I have a feeling that we're about to see something very, very significant. I'm waiting for your CLOV predictions in comments. I'm waiting for your subscriptions because it's much better to make money together. And see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Bye.